You guys are there. Hey guys. Hello, my karma babies. You know what? I don't have my glasses on. Do I have toothpaste here? Not sure. Well, I don't have my glasses on because I noticed that with this new screen, green screen, there's a reflection. So took my glasses off, but I'm going to need them because I'm going to do question and answer while we have a little snack today. We're just going to have a snack and we're going to get right into it. I'm using my ink pen to open up my cracker package. And guess what we have for snacks today, my karma babies? Yes, we have liver sausage. I don't know if you're familiar with liver sausage or liverwurst, but this is liver sausage. It comes like this, and it also comes in a tube. But my main attraction, I didn't bring any napkins, guys. My main attraction today is my Souse. This is called Souse or hog head cheese. It's called Souse. Look at it. It's got peppers in it, red peppers, and you know, it's like the congealed fat, basically. That's why I only have 2 pieces. Hey, don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. Some things I'm just so used to eating and I love, and on occasions I will have them, and I always want to share my meals with you guys and snacks and show you different things that I'm eating. So with this, you can see, I want you to look in here really closely. You'll be able to see some red peppers. See the red pepper? I see one over there. Red peppers. And I tell you, I love Souse. I like mine to get a little room temperature. And I love eating them with crackers. That's how I eat them. And I've been eating them already. I've been eating already. Yes, I have. So, we're going to do today a little, this is how I eat it. Put a little bit on some crackers. Put a little bit on some crackers. And then just eat. So good. Now, if you don't like a gelatinous kind of taste, you probably won't like Souse or hog head cheese. And I'm not sure if it's, I don't think it's just a southern dish. I think they call it in the South hog head cheese. And that's because I think they use the head of the pig and they cook it till it just, the meat and everything just kind of dissolves. Yummy. Clyde, he was just in here, guys, I promise you. He was in here eating. He wanted to go outside, so I opened the door for him to go outside. As soon as I let him out, he heard me talking. Remember, guys, when he hears me talking, he thinks that I am talking to him. He doesn't know. He's a cat. So, let's get right to the questions and answers, okay? Come on, guys. Let's get this show on the road. Okay. One of my karma babies said that they wanted to hear a funny story. Well, baby, I'm not a comedian. It's hard to remember funny stories until you start talking, you know. And then they start coming up. But I kind of thought of one relating to food. Years ago, we had our first and only German Shepherd. And, oh my goodness, this had to be, oh my goodness, 40 some odd years ago. Tommy wanted a German Shepherd so bad. First of all, this German Shepherd did not like me. Because Tommy was training him to be a guard dog. So, you know how they say some animals only have like one master? I could feed him and do everything, but he scared me. He was so mean, and he was a beautiful German Shepherd, AKC or whatever. He was a pedigree. A pedigree. 40 some years ago, we paid $200 and some for this German Shepherd. Well, he would only really listen to Tommy. Come to think of it, most of our dogs only listen to Tommy. We had a Doberman. Oh, and I have another funny story about another dog that we had. Oh my goodness. Remind me to tell you about that one in a few minutes, okay? Because this is really funny. Well, anyway, let me get to the story. This German Shepherd was so mean, but he was never really mean to me. He just scared me, you know? So, Tommy was working at a bar. He was working at a bar, and I had taken all day long and made some chitlins. You know where this story is going, right, guys? I had made chitlins. Chittlin'S or chitlins. It takes me hours to clean them. I had made some chitlins. So, we didn't have cell phones and all that, you know, stuff at the time. Okay, guys, I'm going to eat some of the liver sausage or the liver Wurst. It comes like this, or it could also come in a tube. And it has like little pieces of, I guess all you can call it is fat. The white around it. I don't know if it's fat or, I don't know what it is, really. But it tastes good. So, we didn't have cell phones or anything like that. And I needed to let Grandpa know, excuse me, that the chitlins were done, right? Well, I had cooked them all day. They were smelling good, smelling delicious. Tasted them, They were delicious. Turned the stove off. Went to go up to the bar to let him know that the food was ready, so he could come home and eat. I wasn't going to take him to Chittlin'S to the bar, you know. So the bar was about 2 or 3 blocks away from the house. So I go up there to let him know. Here I am, this young 20-year-old or however old I was very young. I did this great meal, fabulous meal for you. Baby, you got some chitlins on the stove for you when you get home from working in this bar tonight. Let me tell you, you're not going to believe it, but it's true. I come home, the pot that was on the stove is now on the floor. On the floor. He had jumped up, knocked the pot off of the stove, and ate all the chitlins. Ate all of them. He was laying on the side somewhere with his stomach extended and burping and farting and whatever else he was doing. He really was. I promise you. This dog had eaten all of the chitlins. Nothing was left on the floor but the water. He couldn't move. He was just laid out flat. It wasn't funny at the time. Take my word for it. It was not funny at the time. And anytime I think about it, it just makes me remember that his name was Champ. We called him Champ. Wow. It's funny how life just keeps going, right? Keeps going. He was a German Shepherd, and he lived to be 10 or 12, and his legs start going out. I think that's something that's very familiar with German Shepherds. But, Karma Baby, I'm sorry I can't remember your name, but that's a funny story. Wasn't funny at the time, like I said, but hey, that's what I have for you. I have a couple of other questions that you guys have asked. When and why did I start my channel? I'll answer that, okay? I started my YouTube career in like 2012, maybe about 2012. And I started as a coupon channel. I love couponing and saving money. I have to save money. I started that when I first retired back to Mississippi. And, oh, I was so into couponing at the time. I have to save money on a retired income. All I have or had was the Social Security. Although now Grandpa and I are we're trying to keep our Mary Jo's Tamales going. It's not easy. We're trying to keep that business going because it does afford us a bit of an income. And just before I got on the video with you guys, someone called about tamales. They love his tamales. The liverwurst. Oh, the liverwurst. I don't know what to tell you it tastes like. Tastes good. Our hog cake cheese. My liver sausage. I love liver sausage. And in the next video, we'll have more questions. And I want you guys to take the time out, ask me some questions. You know, I'm not a videographer. I need your help. Tell me what you'd like for me to talk about. Now, come on. This is a first. I have liverwurst and hog cake cheese on the same cracker. Guys, it tastes good. Okay, guys, listen, I'm going to cut this video short. Wouldn't have been a video if I didn't drop something, right? Cut this video short. Always remember, how others treat you is their karma. How you respond, my karma babies, how you respond is your karma. I hope to provide more videos to you guys. Grandpa is doing great. I have to really get out and work. You know, Grandpa was just in the hospital for a month. And the bills are coming in, believe you me. The bills, they keep coming in, right? So I'm working more and more at our tamales, Mary Jo's Tamales. I'm out there trying to earn a living. Yes, I'm 70 and he's 70. Well, I'm 69. What woman puts her age up, right? I'm 69, yes. And, you know, when you retire and you don't have that paycheck coming in anymore, it's a little difficult. So, you know, I have to go out and we have to earn a living. So I go out and try to sell some of the tamales we set up. We have a space that we set up in on weekends or whenever we like to set up, and we sell our tamales. So if you're in the Newton area, come on by and get some of our tamales, okay? It'll help us a great deal. We're not just selling them for the fun of it. It's part of our income. But that's all good, right? Thank God that Grandpa has a 50-year recipe that is tried and true, was on the Food Network channel and all, and they all loved it on the Food Network show. So come on down and get some of our tamales. If you're ever in the Newton area, hit the subscribe button. Give me some questions down below. Give me some questions down below and I'll be happy to answer them. Until the next video, guys. Did I say how you respond is your karma? I think I did. I love you, my babies, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye.